This food is so yummy. This is so yummy. Looking nice. Nice dumplings. Nain mo na ba yung ginawa mo kagabi? Ano? Ang ginawa ko? Ayan yun, oh. Clay siomai. Dumplings! The dumplings, oh. Diba? They look nice. Oops, nagpe-freeze. Yummy. Sarap ng ano ko. Fried rice. Burnt. Burnt? You mean toasted? Chowking who? Thank you po. BB Babaps sent heart me. Thank you so much, BB Babaps. Ah! Wait. Makikita ba? What? Ganda, ganda. It is a little burnt. I'm eating dinner. I just wanted to show the dumplings. Yung luya kitang-kita. What? Sarap. Ah! Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, nag-focus na. Nalilito yung camera, nalilito yung camera. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Hindi daw mukhang pagkain yung ginawa ko. Dumplings yung ginawa ko. You gonna paint the dumplings. Kala ko kinakain mo yung clay. Grabe naman kayo. Sarap yan, te. Salamat. Totoo, masarap. Papaingit lang ako dito. We have that pattern sa spoon. Dumplings, ito yung ginawa ko. Yeah, this are the dumplings that I made. Meron sausawan sa gilid. What the heck? These are the dumplings that I made. It's super yummy. And I have gochujang fried rice. Hindi rin naman kung ito yung sausawan. Grabe kayo. Mukbang. I'm just showing off the dumplings I made. Haha. Bago ako mag-paint. They're not dumplings, but disappointments. Am I an Asian disappointment? Huh? See? Ganda. I know I can't cook, but I know what good food looks like. What? See? Nice fried rice. Sorry guys, nakain lang akong dinner kasi gusto ko lang talaga i-show off yung dumplings. Oh? Needs more eggs. Yep, looks good. Thumbs up. Yung ano talaga ang tapan ng garlic. The garlic tuloy. The ginger. Grabe yung ginger. I'm gonna finish this before I paint. But really, it does an amazing job. My dumplings look nice. It looks edible. Sayang sausawan. Grabe naman kayo. Super yummy. Face reveal po. Ayun na nasa taas. Di nyo ba nakikita? Have I ever told you about dinosaur media? What dinosaur media? You mean Barney? I'm kidding. Like the use of slurposaurs in Hollywood. Nope. Yummy, yes! Oh! Dumpling! Ako gumawa nito. Okay, show this off. Gonna show this off. Ay! Ay! Ah! Nahulog sa paint! Anyways. Ah. Kita ba? Hindi makita. Ayoko mahulog sa paint. Show my. Basically, slurper sauce is animal abuse dressed up as dinosaur. Oopsie, what? Show my plus rice. This is ano? This is dumplings. Yung ginawa ko last time. Sarap. Hi. Konnichiwa. I don't understand. I can't read hiragana nor katakana. Ang kalat po ng kanin. I'm sorry po. Sorry. Wala kayong nakikita. Sa gilid yan. Yan na. Alisin natin sa camera. It all started around the 1940s to 6 when people needed dinosaur. Okay lang po, eat well. Ako gumawa ng dumplings. I'm so awesome. You have Twitter, yeah. My Twitter is this. Just search for... Man, I forgot to change my Twitter handle. It's not Marhaya Crafts yet. I'm gonna have to update my bio once I update my thing. But people don't got the technology, so they glue extra parts on lizards. Oh no! I'll let them fight to that. Wala kayong ulam. See? I made these. Yummy. Masarap po ba yung gouache? Ha? Ano mas masarap kinakain na yung kumakain? Hello, Chloe. Ah! There. I give you food. Na-miss ko na yung Triceratops kong kaibigan. Aww. Yes, ito sa stuffed toy. Ito nakanganga na. Sarap! Siyempre, ubusin yung green onion. Okay, time to paint. Ang sarap! And when the animals fight, they record it and makes it seem like dinosaurs.